I'm going to show you step by step how to create an e-commerce website from scratch using AI. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to create a fully functional website that you can use to sell your products online. And if you're new to the channel, my name is Travis. I'm a 7-figure e-commerce seller, and make sure to smash the like button because I'm going to show you how to create a fully functional online store without any code in less than 15 minutes. The first thing you want to do is choose the right AI website builder. And for this, we're going to be using Hostinger. Hostinger is, in my opinion, one of the best AI website builders out there for beginners, and it's super affordable, it's fast, and it has a complete AI toolkit. Plus, you can easily use it to build a fully functional e-commerce store. We'll go through all the AI tools that Hostinger offers in just a minute, because they not only offer an AI website builder, but they also offer many other AI tools like a blog generator or even an AI heat map, which is a game changer. These tools make creating your online store incredibly easy, even as a beginner. I've built websites from scratch using many different website builders, and it's not easy. It's time consuming and frustrating. Honestly, it can be a bit of a headache. But now with the rise of these AI website builder options, anyone can create a stunning website in just a couple hours. Step 2 is to choose your hosting plan. They have different plans, but I personally recommend the business plan because you get a free domain name, up to 50 websites, plus you get all their AI tools included. So I'll click on choose plan and it will take us to the checkout page. As you can see, they have periods of 1 month, 12, 24, and 48 months. Now, here's a pro tip. The 48-month plan offers the best value. It locks in the lowest monthly rate for the longest period, saving you a lot of money over time. And they give 3 months completely for free when you choose this plan. Plus, I've got the hookup with Hostinger. You can click on the link down below and enter coupon code Travis to get an additional 10% off. It's already a great deal. Hostinger is already one of the most affordable, if not the most affordable hosting company out there. But I negotiated a coupon code with them. If you use coupon code Travis, you get an extra 10% off, which saves you a little bit more money. Depending on when you're watching this video, they have a huge early Black Friday offer from October 13th. And there's a link down below. You can click on that to see what the price is for that. I'm not going to share the exact numbers. You have to click on the link to find out what it is, but it's a crazy low price. They also offer a Black Friday and Cyber Monday deal from November 10th. And this is the biggest discount I've ever seen. Again, if you're watching this video during that time, click on it. It's 86% off discount. You can see what the plan is. When you get the 48-month plan, it's a huge deal. And don't forget, you can use that coupon code Travis to get an extra 10% off, even on the discounted prices. Now we're ready to get started with their AI website builder. So log into your Hostinger dashboard and click on websites, click add website, and then we're going to choose Hostinger AI website builder. This option is built for full creative control. This is a hands-on, no-code solution that's perfect for beginners. And this is what you want to see. Let AI create a website for you. You have 2 different options. The first option is choosing one of their 150 different templates. However, the second option, and what I'll do in this video, is using Hostinger AI to build the entire website from scratch. Next, you need a brand name. Your name can be anything, but make it catchy. Make it actually fit your brand. In this video, I'm just going to be creating a store for my new product, Clove Tea. Now, the description, you need to give the AI something to work with. It doesn't need a whole story, just the core details. I'm even going to throw in some other style notes like simple design and minimalist style. Again, just give it enough detail so the AI knows what vibe you're chasing. That's the key. All you have to do is describe your business and the AI generates a complete website for you. Now, this will take some time. The AI is working on it, so it might take a couple of minutes. Be patient. When it's done, boom, just like that, you have the first draft of your fully functional online store. It's ready for you to edit and plug in all your e-commerce features. AI built all of this in seconds. I didn't touch a single thing, and it's pretty much done. Now, usually the first draft won't be perfect, but this is a massive starting point, and from here, you can edit everything easily to seem authentic and professional. And it doesn't matter what option you choose, you can then use their intuitive drag and drop editor to move things around and make it look true to your brand. For this, you can also use all their AI tools, which I'll talk about in just a minute. Scroll down here and start customizing it. Pick your exact color palette and any other details. And here's where all their AI features come in. So let's dive in and start making those tweaks. Look at the top right corner, see the edit section button, click it. That drops you straight into the editing mode and to the section settings with the background layout anchor. And when you're done with the changes, go to Save and make sure the autosave feature is on. If you ever need to get back, just look for the Edit Website button, usually in the top right. Okay, now we're in our store dashboard. It's critical you set this up all properly. Everything you need is right here. The next thing you're gonna wanna do is add your products. So click again on Edit on the left and click on Store, then Products, and then Add Product. And here's where their first AI feature comes in. You get a bunch of options: physical product, multiple physical products, a digital product, a service, appointments, even donations. For this video, we're just doing physical products. This whole process is really simple. Just follow the steps HostSinger gives you. It'll take you a matter of moments. Just add your product picture, a title, a subtitle. You don't even have to write the description yourself. You can use HostSinger's AI Writer tool. So to add my product, I'll just give the AI a quick description. Click on AI Writer, Free Write, and give a brief description. Hit Generate Text. It now gives me a professional product description, and you can just go in and make any edits afterwards. Set up a price because otherwise it won't let you continue. Once you have it all filled out, hit Save. That'll take you back to your main products page. Now remember, since we used AI to build this, it already auto-generated a few placeholder products. You can edit any of these, click in, change the price, the variance, the inventory, even the SKU options. It's all live. Once your products are basically set up, you have to set up your payment platforms. So go to Settings. Here you'll find the payment section. And once all this backend stuff is done, you can go back and finally start editing the website's look. Click that Edit Website button in the top right corner. This takes you to the visual editor, which is very easy to use. You can literally click on anything you see and hit Edit Section. From there, you can change the layout, the color, the image, the overlay, opacity, and set a fixed background, anything. There's also the option to add sections. These are the core building blocks of your site. Let's say I want to add a product showcase right here. I'll click Add Section, scroll down through the pre-existing options, find product categories, click it, and just like that, we've got a new product selection ready to go. From here, we just make our changes, click a category, click Edit Image to replace it. You can change the style, the shape, you can even add animations like a fade-in. These are features you would normally only get access to if you knew how to code or had a bunch of experience. And HostSinger makes it so easy. So go through, make your simple adjustments just by clicking and editing. Once everything looks exactly how you want it to, go to the top, hit Save, and then smash that Go Live button, and boom, just like that, you're ready to go with our HostSinger-based AI-built e-commerce store. Again, if you want to sign up for HostSinger and get a massive discount, click the link down below in the description, sign up for that 48-month plan, use coupon code Travis, and you'll get an extra 10% off and 3 months completely for free. You can use coupon code Travis for any plan 12 months or longer to get that 10% off. And this is going to be the best deal you can find on HostSinger anywhere in the internet. I negotiated with them to make sure that I can get you guys the best deal. So click that link down below in the description, sign up for HostSinger, start building your first website today.